Assalamualaikum, hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael Free. So today is the continuation of my fully furnished house tour. Today I'm going to share with you my bedroom and also my wardrobe room. Yeah, so that's like one of the most exciting things that I've like to accomplish in my new house. So today I'm going to share it with you. So without further ado, let's go! Yay! Hey guys, so welcome back to the second part of my fully furnished house tour. So today, like I just mentioned, I was going to share with you my bedroom and also my wardrobe room. So starting from my bedroom, if you can remember, this is the sideboard in my living room. So just beside it is the entrance of my bedroom. Okay, the first thing that you can see when you enter my bedroom is actually this niche. Initially, it was actually covered by the previous owner, and then when we opened it up, I thought that, maybe I want to turn it back into an original window. But because of the timing, I did not get to actually get the contractors to measure the windows. So and then at the end, when they actually covered it up like this, I kind of like the idea of just having like a niche. Plus, I don't actually need a window, so yeah, I actually like it very much. So suddenly I have this niche in my bedroom, and then I just decorate it with this small little vases. So yeah, so this is the niche. Okay, and also just across the entrance of my bedroom door, I decided to actually place this chair over here. This chair is actually part of the sofa set that you actually saw in my living room because it was so big. So I decided to put part of this chair inside. I kind of like that idea because it created some kind of like a reading corner of some sort, like a chill corner. Maybe not reading so much because I kind of don't read that much, but I like to call it like my reflecting corner. So every morning when I wake up, I will sit down here and then I'll be like, you know what, Ismail, how can we do things better? How can we improve our lives? So, and then like maybe I should not just sit down and reflect, maybe I should do something about it. So that's what I do every morning. So, and then also I decided to put this kind of like a coffee table beside. This rattan table is actually given to me by my best friend in the whole wide world, Jonita, and also it's where I place like a candle and also a bottled water. So yeah, so this is like the chill corner of my bedroom. So on the other side of my bedroom, I decided to put this dresser that I got from IKEA. I actually built this thing myself. It was so difficult, but it was well worth it. I saved a lot of money. So I don't know why every time I come to IKEA and I saw this dresser, I knew I love this dresser so much. I think it's because of the natural woods. It feels as if it's been carved out from a tree itself. So I love it so much. So I've actually decided to decorate it with some of the things that I've had for quite a while. I only bought this art in the middle. So this is the dresser that I got, and then just beside it is where my bed is. So I actually got this idea from Pinterest. I saw how people are decorating their bedrooms with just a simple bed. I've never had the intention to buy a bed frame in the first place, and this bed is put together by having two mattresses, foldable mattresses put together. So let's say if my mom wants to sleep over, so I can just separate the beds, and then we each of us have like a place to sleep on. And to make it look like it's a proper bed, I decided to use this art as a headboard. I actually drew that in school when I was younger. So yeah, I really love the look of my bedroom. I think it creates quite a beautiful aesthetic, and it's not so cluttered. So yeah, so this is my bedroom. So now I want to reveal to you my most anticipated project by far since I moved into this house, which is my dream of building my men's closet. So without further ado, let me do the opening ceremony. So when you first enter the wardrobe room, on the left hand side, you can see that I actually put this clothing rack over here. So this has become like my dressing area. And then at the side here, you will see that this is the dresser that I got from IKEA. It's also the other dresser that I really like. This is a hemness dresser where I keep all my accessories inside, and also all the smaller accessories on top I put it in the wooden drawer. And then there's an old CD holder that I decided to decorate with all my accessories, a picture that I drew in school, and yeah, so this is the entrance of my wardrobe room. And just across the dresser is where I decided to place all my necklaces, my necklace display thingy. So one of the things I also requested from my ID is whether he can actually build this necklace frame for me. I showed him some pictures, and then, you know, because, you know, since he can do carpentry work and whatnot, and then he was telling me that, you know, it's something that would cost me quite a lot of money, you know, if I want to custom it, something like that. So I decided to just, you know, think out of the box, and then I was shopping in IKEA, my second favorite place. I don't know where the first place is, but and then I stumbled across this IVAR. It's supposed to be a shelving system unit, and then I was just like fooling around with it, and I said, hey, maybe this could be a great idea to actually, you know, just hammer some nails in, and then you can display all your necklaces. So yeah, so that's what I did. So yeah, so this is my necklace display thingy. Okay, so let me break it down to you how I decided to actually place all my clothes in this wardrobe system. So I actually bought 5 of this wardrobe system, and I actually made it all by myself. I was quite proud of myself. It was a lot of work, but it was well worth it. Saved a lot of money. So okay, so starting from this first column here is where I decided to put all my bigger bags. I put some stuffing inside, like for example, like this grey guy over here. So I put like a pillow inside, and then the rest I put like shoe boxes, and I put like a towel, you know, anything I can get my hands on. Anything that I don't need, I know there's like a soft toy in there, just to make sure that the bags will stand upright. So that's what I did, and I'm kind of loving it to see, you know, the things that I have. They are all not necessarily expensive. It just reminds me of the time when I, you know, like I want to give myself a present for myself, you know, for my hard work. So I just, okay, maybe I can buy this for myself or whatnot. So yeah, so that's the bag display. And then beside it is where I decided to put all my folding clothes. You know, my dream is to actually have all my clothes hang, but it's impossible, the amount of clothes that I have, and plus some of them you don't necessarily want to hang them. For example, like all this knitwear, which I don't use, and also the fabric is not advisable for you to hang them. So, you know, so it's all there. Plus, all the folded clothes are things that I can't wear at the moment, in terms of maybe I don't like the style that much, or, you know, brother put on a bit of weight. So that can be saved for later. Okay, so the next column will be all the hanging clothes. On the top, you see here, on the top here is all my short sleeve shirts. And then below, like what I reach out to at the moment is all my t-shirts. So, and they are all the printed ones. The plain ones, I decided to just hang them over here. So whenever I need like plain t-shirts, I can just, you know, reach out to them easily. And then the next column, you can see at the top here, I decided to put all my long sleeve t-shirt and also my long sleeve shirts. So that's where it is. And then below here is all my casual pants. And then just at the end here is all my jackets, which, you know, is seldom used. Like, where do you want to go in Singapore in such a, you know, a warm jacket, right? So, and then below is actually where all my smart trousers are. So yeah, so that's my whole wardrobe system. So inside this room, just beside the wardrobe system, I decided to put this table here so that I can actually use it when I have clothes to fold. Like when I'm done with laundry, this is the table that I can fold my clothes, or when I pick out some of the folding clothes, I can use this table. So I put it over here, and then across the wardrobe, I decided to put this ottoman. Actually, this room is actually 2 bedrooms that is combined into one. So this pillar is actually a structure that you cannot remove. So when I bought this house, these two rooms have already become one, like the situation right now. So, and I decided to keep it that way because I really like how open it is. And also this is where you will find my standing mirror, and I have a rug at the bottom here, so whenever it's not often, but if I want to take an OOTD picture, I don't know whether they still call it now OOTD. They call it like the fit or something. Wow, I'm like that also. Anyway, yeah, so that's my standing mirror. Okay, so just beside the where the standing mirror is, this standing mirror, I decided to actually put my step ladder over here. And also the reason that I want to show you where my step ladder is because I wanted to show you this guy. This is a Paul Smith t-shirt that I bought a long time ago, and I decided to destroy it. Well, not destroy it, but I accidentally actually put it too long inside a chemical of bleach and whatnot. I wanted to whiten the t-shirt and I accidentally destroyed the whole thing. This is like my first Paul Smith t-shirt and I treasure it so much, and I decided to destroy it. Like, that's not good. So but because I love it so much, it holds so much memories that I decided, hey, this can be like my art piece. So I decided to just hang it over here to remind myself that do not over bleach your clothes, it will die that way. Okay, so last but not least, let me share with you the master bathroom. So the master bathroom has this glass door shower, and then it has the black shower head that I like so much. And then I have this IKEA wooden shelving installed to actually place all the accessories and whatnot. And then the mirror is also from IKEA. And then yeah, and then I have this wash bag from ASOS. I forgot what brand it is, but I like what it says. So whatever you have to do it in that order. So yeah.